Welcome to Blacksmith Mews, where this modern, semi-detached home is situated within the popular area of Gunthorpe. Built in 2019, offering spacious accommodation arranged over 3 floors with a south-facing garden to the rear. Upon entering the home, the entrance hall leads into the kitchen diner, which benefits from an array of work surface and cupboard storage, integrated oven and hob, space for freestanding appliances, and of course space to dine. Centralised to the ground floor is a spacious WC. Whilst to the rear is the lounge, offering a set of doors out onto the south-facing rear garden. The first floor landing separates 3 of the bedrooms and a family bathroom. With bedroom 4 and bedroom 3 both found to the rear of the home. The spacious family bathroom offers a contemporary 3-piece white suite with a shower over the bath. And bedroom 2 completes the first floor accommodation, found to the front of the home. To the second floor, you will find a useful landing space that could be utilised as a study area. Leading on to bedroom 1, a generous double bedroom benefiting from built-in cupboard storage and an ensuite bathroom. The ensuite hosts a 3-piece suite and access onto useful eaves storage. Outside, driveway parking can be found down the side of the property, with a side gate leading onto the rear garden. The garden itself is south-facing, benefiting from patio, lawn and decked seating area, whilst being fully enclosed. For any further information, or to arrange your viewing, please contact Newton Fallowell on 01733 511 225.